Welcome back on the channel, VST here, Valence Tech. Today I'm going to show you two simple tricks that will help you reduce half of the storage you are using today to shoot your photos and videos on your beloved Samsung phone. First things first, we need to understand why we are right now like this and of course what we can do to change it. So just think of something, guys. When you take your phone, stock out of the box, you shoot a photo, this photo is end up saved as a JPEG format or JPEG format. And this has been introduced almost 31 years ago. So technically we're using formats that are really already from the past. So the first thing is called high efficient image format and is a new format that is really made popular by Apple starting several years ago and also now widely adopted by Samsung. And it really helps you to get the same picture, same details, same quality using half of the storage space, which means half of the storage on your phone, on your camera roll, on your hard drive, on your cloud, you name it. The second thing is called HVAC, which is high video encoding, and it's pretty much the same thing as the photos. The high efficient video coding or H.265 is actually a newer codec to the older one, H.264. So when you use H.265, guys, you can really reduce the bandwidth with streaming, right? Also potentially get the same quality without sacrificing it, and of course also get a reduced file size. And in this video, guys, I'm going to show you how you can enable these two options, and I'm going to show you some real samples of photos and videos where I use this on my S23 Ultra and what the real result is. So if you don't want to save storage space on your phone, guys, you might as well quit the video. But if you want to save storage space on your phone, you're more than welcome to watch the full video and also subscribe if you are into things like this. Buckle up and let's start. Let me hit you up with some samples. Check this picture and this picture, right? It's pretty much the same. But what is the difference, guys? This picture is a JPEG one, and you can just see it's almost 3 megabytes. It's 2.82 megabytes, 12 megapixel. Now, the same picture, but shot with the high efficiency image format HEIC, guys, see, it is 688 kilobytes. It's still the same resolution, it's still the same 12 megapixel, but you are here saving 2 or even triple time the storage. And I can promise you guys, it will really only get better, so keep watching. So how is this here for a set, guys? Do you like it? Because I do, and yeah. The first sample is the JPEG picture. It is 2.69 megabytes. It's the same resolution and the same 12 megapixel. If I show you the next photo, guys, you can see it is really almost 100% less in terms of file size. 1.45 megabytes, same resolution and same storage. So indeed, guys, I am already saving on some megabytes only with these two samples. Well, how do you like this Mercedes-Benz 450 SL, guys? Because I really love it, and this is going to be actually my next sample. So the first one, of course, is the JPEG, and you can see it is 2 megabytes and 400 kilobytes. All right. Next picture, of course, the same picture, but this time with the HEIC, guys, only 1 megabyte and 180 kilobytes. But okay, do you want me to take you outside, guys? Let me take you outside. This picture and that picture are pretty much one and the same pictures, but the JPEG version is 3 megabytes and 630 kilobytes, and the HEIC picture, guys, is only 2 megabytes and 420 kilobytes, guys. And I know a lot of you are now asking, what about those sweet 200 megapixel photos, guys? Now take a look at this picture and that picture. Pretty much virtually the same, but the JPEG version is almost 34 megabytes, and the high efficient image format picture, guys, is almost half the size, almost 17 megabytes. So only imagine if you are only using it to shoot 200 megapixel photos with the HEIF, guys, it's gonna be a crazy space storage saver. Now let me show you some video examples, because I told you guys we can do the same but for video. And of course with videos is a bit more interesting, guys, so I have 3 video samples for you. Take a look. 5 seconds Ultra HD, 60 frames per second, no compression. Alright, guys, so this is 5 seconds of Ultra HD video on 60 FPS. It's using the old H.264 codec, guys. It is 56 megabytes. Now, I did the same sample, guys, but this time I'm using here the newer codec, the HEVC, the high efficiency video codec, guys, and you can just see it's slightly reduced, right? Not by much, but it's already 47 megabytes. But it gets even better, guys, because I have a third video which is even further reduced, almost half the size. Why? Because our Samsung devices has this option to really prioritize on storage, saving storage, or on quality, and it's really up to us. And now, guys, I'm gonna show you very easily where you can go and just trigger these two new options and play with them. It's now time to take some actions. So prepare your phone, open the camera, choose the photo mode, go inside the settings, scroll to advanced picture options, and here it is, guys, voila, high efficiency pictures. Save space by capturing photo mode pictures in high efficiency image format. Notice here some apps and websites don't support it yet, so you might eventually have some compatibility issues, but I'm using this already since some time and I really don't see any problem with it. But of course you have been warned. Now to do the same on video, scroll to the video mode, click on the cogwheel, scroll down to advanced video options, guys, and here choose high efficiency videos. Now notice I showed you two videos using HEVC, guys, and one was really better optimized. Why? Because you can use prioritized video quality, which is actually my recommendation, but if you want to really trim down things even more, you can choose prioritized saving space. And this S23 Ultra, very powerful phone with 8 Gen 2, handles this thing. So if you have a phone like this, or you have the S22 Ultra, even the S21, you should be able to change those settings now and save some of this very precious storage. And I really hope that you like videos like this, guys. If that's the case, just hit the sub button, guys. Leave a like, stay safe until we meet next time. VST over and bye.